eighth and final limb of yoga is Samadhi. So Samadhi is where we find our blissful state, where we merge with the divine consciousness. Now, depending on what religion you choose to practice or the religion that you choose not to practice, whatever your spiritual beliefs are, the core nature of all religions is that there is a God. There is something bigger than us out there. I believe that. I think it's hard to practice a ton of yoga and to actually embrace all of these 8 limbs of yoga without believing in God. But if you choose not to believe in God, that's okay. Just be sure that you are achieving whatever bliss means to you. So when we merge with the divine, we're finding our bliss body. And this is something that takes time and energy. For me, when I come into moments of samadhi, it's usually when I am practicing. Usually it's a pretty tough practice, and I'm breathing through it. So I'm breathing through the asanas. I'm breathing through my pranayamas. I'm looking through my dristi, trying to hold my gaze nice and tight. So having that concentration of mind, having that meditative energy in my brain that reminds me all I have to do right now is breathe. Don't look at the time. Don't look at your Apple Watch. I see somebody asked me, like, why do you not have an Apple Watch? And I'm just like, oh my gosh, the last thing I need in my life is another Apple device. As well as I see people on their yoga mats and, you know, the notifications are popping up. That tears away from your concentration. You can't concentrate on your yoga practice, and it makes it more challenging to achieve samadhi in the same way. So when you practice Raja Yoga and you have your morals and ethics, you have your daily practices, your asanas, your pranayamas, your concentration, your self-study, your books that you read, as well as doing your meditations, you can get to a point where you achieve a bit of bliss even in the difficulties of practicing yoga.